Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing good. Today's video is about paid versus free tools that you might require in the process of creating content. First is content ideas. There are various tools to generate content ideas in your niche that your target audience are searching for. One such paid tool is BuzzSumo and free tool is Quora. Quora is a question and answer platform that believes in sharing knowledge. It has over 300 million active users per month, which is greater than that of social media giants like Twitter. Quora is mostly used by US, followed by India and UK. So for content ideas, you can use this free tool Quora for generating ideas. So here you can ask questions here, like whatever you want to ask, and post it and click on any topic like digital marketing. So you will find number of questions. So here by the left hand side you can filter out your questions or answers or posts or topics, and here you can see what exactly is digital marketing. So you can follow it or you can answer it also just by clicking on what exactly is digital marketing. So here you can see how do I learn digital marketing. You can see the number of people who have answered, like 1.2k persons have answered it, and people who follow this question is 2.1k. So you can either follow it or you can give an answer to it just by clicking here. And here below, how do I learn digital marketing, there is an option called answer. So you can simply click on it and you can write your answer and post here. The answer you type here should give the viewers or readers insights about how they can learn digital marketing, and it should be meaningful, not just vague. And you can post it here. So this is how you can use Quora. And you can also search for content ideas, like I have just typed here digital marketing and I've got like plenty of ideas, like what exactly is digital marketing. This can be your topic. What are the good ways to learn to become the best digital marketer? This could also be your topic. So you can choose by the popularity here, like the count of answers or the count of follows this question has got. Second is content design. Once you chalk down your content idea, then you must put it in an attractive design to attract or engage your audience. Paid tool is Photoshop and free tool is Canva. Content designing, you can use a free tool by the name Canva. You can come to the Canva website and you can type for various number of social media templates, like YouTube templates, whichever platform you want to create your content on, you can use it. Like here you can see Instagram posts, stories, videos, Instagram reels, Facebook covers, banners, social media ads, carousels, etc. So you just need to click on what type of content design you want to make. For example, I have clicked here like Instagram post, and here you can see plenty of ideas or plenty of pre-made templates which you can use and edit, or you can create your own design from selecting the blank Instagram post square box here. You can make your designs more attractive and funky by adding 3D icons in your content design that can instantly grab the audience attention. Paid tool is FreePic and free tool is Unblast. Basically, a mockup is a prototype of your product which is mainly used for testing purpose or as a sample or as a reviewing purpose. These are some of the examples of mockups. So Unblast is a free platform where you can create or download your mockups. So for example, I have clicked on this, like free summer vibes 3D UI illustrations. So you can see there are different kinds of mockups available here. So there are like watering the plants illustration or girl at airport illustration. If I click on it, girl at airport illustration, so you can see a girl with a suitcase going to the airport. Like behind, you can see the aircraft here. So it is a mock-up. Or you can click on watering the plants illustration. So there are different kinds of mock-ups which you can use it in your content creation journey. Making content, we search for images that suit our content needs. Most of the times it's really difficult, but with this free tool you can get what you want. Paid tool is Shutterstock, free tool is Pexels. Pexels is a website which gives you images for your search results. I'm searching for strawberries here and I'm getting the images down there, and for social media search I'm getting different kinds of images below. So I can choose whichever image I feel comfortable or I feel necessary. So I'll include them in my social media designs and make a better use of it. So this website is free to use and you can use these images in your content designs. For a content creator, publishing content at the right time is really important, and scheduling tools comes in hand at these times. Paid tool is Buffer and free tool is Creator Studio by Facebook. I hope this video is helpful. If it is, please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such videos.